Hi there guys, Lost Paradox here. Now, this will be another Unturned episode, as you can obviously tell already. I haven't put one up recently this week, because I've literally been busy the whole week, but yeah, I'm just trying to think where we left off really, because I just loaded it a minute ago, and it was just hectic. So, if I'm honest, I don't think we need that. I don't think we need that. So, what have we got here? I don't want a lever action. I don't like those. I want to swap that. I want to swap you. Obviously, it's ammo. So, I don't know. This would probably be another town raid, I guess. Where I spawned in a really shit place. And there was, like, loads of people around me. And tuna. And pasta. Moldy water. I don't really want that. Butcher's knife. I think I'm alright. Yeah, we should be good in here. I think because I haven't played this in a while, it'll be another town raid, I guess. Because, yeah, cool. Okay. I think I want a magical cloak. I don't know what the fuck a magical cloak does. So, I don't even know what a magical cloak does. What's a magical cloak do? Magical now? Do I have like superpowers or I can fly? Oh, that sucks. Okay. Well, get on with the juice box. Canned soup. Chocolate bar. Oh, I think it's safe to say we got enough food to last us a while. So, we should be right in that aspect. But, I don't want to really go down there yet. Is there like another way I can get into this building? You see me. Don't want a knapsack. Oh, a granola bar and a candy bar. We have so much food, it's ridiculous. Lever action, we have that. Don't really need another gun, to be honest. Have I got like any? I need some. Doesn't need some water. Do you have that? Number 3. Let's get some canned water. Stuff like those. Some food. Okay, let's take this. Oh, he spotted me quite quick. Ow. I feel one coming up from behind. Should have turned around. Damn it. Shit. 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 Is this the pharmacy? Have I actually just walked into the pharmacy? There's no way. If I've just walked into the pharmacy. Fucking lifesaver. Painkillers. Ooh. Let me equip these. I'll take the morphine. Okay, let's equip the morphine. I suppose I don't really need you actually. Go away. I need an axe. don't need you. Really, I don't need you. We should be okay, sort of, I hope. Maybe. But, oh well. It's another town raid anyway, I like raiding towns, it's quite cool. I love the noise it makes when you hit them. What is that? Butcher's knife. Mouldy milk. Canned veg. Gotta have your greens. Gotta have your greens. Okay. Oh, you're dead. Oh yeah, you press shift around. I've been playing Minecraft too much. You haven't seen me yet. Anything in the store? Wire. Shit ton of sticks. A hammer. Pickaxe. Nothing. Nothing again. Give me something good. Come on. I just want to say also, thank you for the 160 subscribers. We did hit that the other day. Let's get some canned beans. And another granola bar. Can never have too much granola. So I need that blowtorch as well to fix some cars. Okay, so it's getting night time now. This is great. Oh, fucking made me jump. Made me shit myself. I had a feeling someone was following me, but I didn't realise someone was actually going to follow me. But, no, well, I thought you had a gun then. Any gun? Nova. Novo. If I'm honest, I got no clue what a Nova. What is a Nova U? Hoarder? Ooh! Is it a shotty? I think I just got myself a shotty. Get on, boy! I suppose we got some good stuff now. Okay. And there's probably going to be a car in that town as well, so. Boom. You motherfucker. Huh. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this shotty. Ooh! 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 Yeah, that's deadly as shit. That's cool. A board. Really? Work light. Need a generator for those. Hammer. I just need one thing. Come on, just give me one thing. No? Okay. Fine. Right. I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. It's just another quick town raid. I promise there will be more. It's pretty much just because I spawned with loads of zombies, and I thought, you know, why not? It's new. There's gonna be new shit, so why not just spawn there? So I just want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like. Be sure to comment, because I'll always comment back. And subscribe. And until next time, guys. Cheers.